Hi, welcome to my channel, where we learn English in a relaxed and chill way. Singular nouns are words that refer to only one person, thing, or idea. For example, book, dog, city, love. Plural nouns are words that refer to two or more of the same person, thing, place, or idea. For example, books, dogs, cities, loves. The general rule is that most singular nouns are made plural by adding an s, es, or ies to the end of the word. However, there are many exceptions and irregular nouns whose spelling changes when making the singular form plural. Here are some examples of the general rule and some common exceptions. If the singular noun ends with consonant and y, change the y to ies to make it plural. For example, baby, babies, lady, ladies, story, stories. If the singular noun ends with a vowel and y, just add an s to make it plural. For example, boy, boys, he, he's, toy, toys. If the singular noun ends with s, double s, sh, ch, x, and z, add an es to make it plural. For example, bus, buses, glass, glasses, dish, dishes, church, churches, box, boxes, quiz, quizzes. If the singular noun ends with f or fe, change the f or fe to ve and add an s to make it plural. For example, wolf, wolves, knife, knives, leaf, leaves, wife, wives. If the singular noun ends with o, add an es to make it plural. For example, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, hero, heroes, echo, echoes. Some singular nouns do not change at all when pluralized. These include the names of certain tools, instruments, articles of clothing, animals, and collective nouns. For example, scissors, glasses, jeans, deer, fish, sheep, people. Some singular nouns change their vowel sound or have a completely different word when pluralized. These are irregular nouns, and they have to be memorized. For example, child, children. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Man, men. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Woman, women. This is it for now. Thank you for watching, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.